So I came across this HP Pavilion gaming laptop which looked awesome at first sight, but after digging a little bit, I found major cons of this laptop. So watch the full video if you are thinking to buy a new laptop around this price, and I will tell you why this laptop is not worth your money and which laptop you should really buy. First, let's take a quick look at the specifications. It has Ryzen 7 3rd generation processor, more specifically Ryzen 7 3750H. It is an octa-core CPU with base frequency up to 2.3 GHz and turbo boost frequency up to 4 GHz. For GPU, it has NVIDIA's GTX 1660 Ti with 4 GB of GDDR6 graphics memory. This GPU is more than enough for 1080p gaming. It has 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, expandable up to 32 GB. 8 GB is good, but you will probably want to expand it to 16 GB. But we will come back to it. For storage, it has 128 GB of SSD and a 1 TB of hard disk. This laptop has a screen of 15.6 inches, which is an IPS LCD screen clocked at 60 Hz, meaning viewing angles will be very nice. So this laptop seems very good to me because no other laptop is having this much powerful configuration at 75,000 rupees. But there's a big con. It comes with 2 modules of 4 GB RAM instead of 1 module of 8 GB. Meaning both of the RAM slots are occupied. So whenever you will want to upgrade it to 16 GB, you will have to buy 2 modules of 8 GB RAM or 1 module of 16 GB. You can't just buy a single stick of 8 GB RAM and upgrade it. And you will have to remove those 4 GB modules. So are there any better alternatives? Well, after this laptop I saw Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. It has Intel's 9th generation i5 processor and NVIDIA's GTX 1660 Ti with 6 GB of GDDR6 graphics memory and 8 GB of DDR4 RAM. I know Intel's i5 9th generation processor is not as powerful as Ryzen 7, but i5 is enough for GTX 1660 Ti, meaning there will be no bottleneck while gaming. And Acer Nitro 5 has advantages over HP Pavilion gaming laptop with just 3000 rupees more. First is that it has an 144Hz of IPS LCD screen, which will be more useful while gaming. Another advantage is that unlike hybrid storage on the HP Pavilion, Acer Nitro 5 has a 1 GB of SSD, meaning just little less in storage capacity but very fast in reading and writing speed. And you can simply upgrade the RAM from 8 GB to 16 GB by buying another 8 GB of RAM module. So I think you should go for HP Pavilion gaming laptop only if you strictly want a laptop from HP. If not, in my opinion, Acer Nitro 5 is a better gaming laptop with faster screen and fast storage. So that's all from my side. Tell me about your opinion in the comment section or feel free to ask any question. I will be happy to help you out. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share with your friend who might be thinking about getting a new laptop. And if you subscribe, it will really motivate me to make more videos like this. Thanks, I will see you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe.